Okay, let's get right to our discussion of Jordan Tannehill's play, Rihanna Boy 95. One of the remarkable things about this play is that it's performed to a laptop camera and live streamed to audiences around the world. Why do you think Tannehill made that choice? Why a YouTube video rather than a traditional stage play? Aaron.
YouTube's a very private medium. People usually make YouTube videos when they're alone, and they tend to watch them alone too. So it's a very intimate experience. You don't get that in a theater.
Great observation, Aaron. And how is Sonny's story in particular served by that medium? How does the form of the play reinforce its contents? Aaron.
Because Sonny himself feels so alone. He's telling a very private story.
And yet YouTube's a very public medium, isn't it? Aaron.
Yes, and that's why it's so brilliant that Tannehill has Sonny use YouTube to tell his story. I mean, in real life, Sonny doesn't get much attention from people, but on YouTube, he can get the whole world's attention. So he's finally seen and accepted for who he really is.
Well said. And just how important is that acceptance to Sonny? Jake.
It's Josh. Really important.
It means the world to Sonny. I mean, when his views start climbing, he says something like, "Of the millions of things to watch, you clicked on me because I was worth watching." And I think we can all relate to that.
Yeah, and
Nicely
Sonny was
said. To be is to be perceived, as they say. But isn't Sonny taking a huge risk by revealing himself so publicly?
Well, sure. But if he doesn't reach out, he'll just go on being overlooked for the rest of his life. That, or living a lie.
Right.
Plus, even if some people hate him, some people think he's awesome. And that's gotta feel great for someone who's such an outcast.
Nicely said. It's so interesting you use that term, outcast. The play is a monologue, and Sonny is the only one cast in the play. He has the starring role. Well, any other comments?